I'm Nisa. I have many friends. There are thousands of them. There are some of my friends, and we are having gathering now. And yes, they all have amazing story behind them. This is Jawar. He is from Shuristan. He planned to give a better life to his family. But he lost his wife and child in the explosion action he caused. What a poor man. This is Ella from Korea. The crystal ball she's staring at is the gift from her younger sibling. She lost both her younger brothers in an accident. I know, she's missing. Her name is Mariam. She lives in Rungit, Johor. What's special about her is her identity as an orang asli. She sells unused items as living. She and her family is hoping for attention from government as they are having a hard life. This is Pudding, lives in Pakistan. He is having a boring life as workshop worker, but he's told me that he is having a fantastic world in his mind. You know, like those things will happen in experimental video. Watches turning and stuff. Wahab B from Kelantan. He is a kampong boy and he always been dreaming to become a rock star. After putting some effort and field audition, he finally made it, and I'm so proud of him. And this is Jocelyn. She's a lesbian from China. She just found out that her lover cheating on her. At the same time, she also found out that her best friend, who is a boy named Ada, had a crush on her. She doesn't know who to choose. Poor girl facing dilemma. And yes, there are my friends, my Facebook friends.